Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Always back with another video on the channel, and I'm really happy because I'm gonna tell you, if you're a .NET developer and you want to use your M1 base or Apple ARM based Mac computer, one of the main thing that it was missing from a .NET was hot reload when a debug mode was on. I'm using JetBrains Writer ID because a Visual Studio support was removed by Microsoft recently on a Mac computer, so you only have Writer, which helps you to run your code in a debug mode with hot reload. I have tried Visual Studio Code with their C# and .NET extensions, but they are not really ready for full-fledged .NET development. So the only option in terms of ID you have is Writer. On the screen, you can see I've got a .NET code running, and if I go ahead and then change something, let's say I'll write just the console.write, and I'll just say hello world. And now I can just click on apply changes and I'm running the code in debug mode. This feature was missing. You gotta search for this hot reload, and then here you can see now it actually is supporting hot reload when debugging, and you need to have a .NET 8 or later, and it automatically apply changes on step and resume on .NET. It was always possible on Windows, but people wanted to use, like me, a Mac computer with ARM. It was really hard to work quickly on a Mac using .NET because this feature was missing, but I'm really excited. So if you're using Mac, please enable hot reload when debugging and enjoy. That was a quick video to update you guys on .NET side.